Good morning and hello, guys. I'm Janine, and this is my kitchen, my New York kitchen. It's that time again where I put a video up that gives you a little introduction to me, my background, who I am, and what I'm doing here on YouTube. And this is the most recent. The most recent because I tell you guys in my intro, my bio, I'm retired. Me and my hubby are retired. We live in Florida for winter and summers here in Glen Cove, New York. It's been a while since I started cooking 2 years ago and started. We didn't get to come here last year for you to see full circle how we live and what we do. We spend May till October here in Glen Cove, New York. It's a one-bedroom apartment. We just put in this beautiful new kitchen. Many of you who've been with me have seen that video. And anybody new who hasn't, this is what I'm about. We just got the kitchen here finished in New York. We'll be here till the first week in November. Enough about that. That's what we travel back and forth. I'm a mom, a wife, a grandma, and a home cook, self-taught. I'm over 60, we'll keep it there. And I just cook things that I know from my mom, my grandma, my family, friends, things like that. Plus, I go out into the universe of cooking and I find recipes that I like and can cook and bring them to you. So think of me as your liaison to all the good, delicious, wonderful recipes that are out there, desserts. Even though I'm not a big dessert eater, I like to cook it and bring it to you. So that's who I am and what I'm doing, what I'm about. Home cook, go and research and bringing you the best of the best I can and showing you what I know from growing up in my family. As well as that, I will never cook something on YouTube just for content, just for a view. Everything you see me prepare, everything you see me cooking in my shorts. I do little sandwiches for lunch and breakfast and eggs and pasta from last night's spaghetti. We do eat. We're retired, not rich is my motto. So everything you see has to be eaten by us, and we're not wealthy or rich, so we have to watch just like everybody else out there in the world. You know, we do eat a little better and smarter, and that's because I like to say I'm a savvy shopper. I shop on sale, so to speak. So sometimes you'll see me getting extravagant and beautiful pieces of filet mignon steak, and I only paid $9 or $10 versus 25 to 30 if you buy them single and not on sale in the wrong place. Okay, that's enough about my food expertise. What else can I say? I have two channels. My other channel is Janine's Other Side, and it's about fashion, decor, where I shared renovating this whole kitchen, where I have fun in my closet with clothes. I do dress up occasionally, and we do travel often. I don't have any current because we won't be traveling until this November. We're going to a family member's wedding. My stepson is getting married in Peru. That's Vinny's oldest son. Okay, and I'll show that live. But until then, you've seen on my channel, Janine's Other Side, I put past vacations and collages and pictures of our life, of our travel, things that we're proud of and we think are beautiful to share. And I hope you think they are as well. Aside from that, I do share the link, I believe, to both channels. So here you're on In the Kitchen with Janine, and when you go to my bio, if you scroll down within my bio and description, you'll find my links. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. I have an Amazon wish list that is not for people to buy me things. I did it as a joke to make a list for my children, and a beautiful subscriber happened to give me something for there. I won't ask anybody for anything, so just skip over the Amazon if you want, and if you don't, look at it. It's there for everybody. I'm transparent. I gotta tell it because it's there. What else? Instagram, Facebook, Amazon. There's something else I'm missing, but I don't even know. You'll see it there, my YouTube link. But when you're on Janine's Other Side, and if you're looking at that content, you'll find me here. So I'm probably going to do a different intro video for there and say what I'm saying here. I'm channel interchangeable. Why did I do two channels? Because I have so much that I enjoy sharing that I didn't want all the same content on one place. A lot of my subscribers were like, you know, I came here for the food. I don't really care to see you doing a fashion show in your closet with your jeans. And that's okay. But there are other people that came just for the clothing, and I thrift. I love to thrift, so my hobbies are over there. Thrifting, decor, renovations, decorations, all of it, and antiquing. And those people want just that content. They say, hey, I know how to cook. I don't need you to show me how to make spaghetti with jar sauce. So that's the reason for the two channels. They're all my passions. I want to share them on YouTube, and it's a lot of work, I'm not going to lie. I occasionally throw in lives, which I did this morning, if anybody was watching me after seeing this intro. That was something spontaneous. I confess I'm not consistent with my lives. I'm not going to sit here and promise you a live every morning at 8. I can't do that. And I'm not going to sit here and stick to I post Thursday and Friday. I will say you'll get a minimum of 1 to 2 videos for cooking from me per week. And I do a lot of shorts. I have fun with the food shorts, and you guys tend to like them. Most of my views come from shorts of my food, whether it be my breakfast sandwich, my lunch from my hubby, the dinner we're eating. Thank you for all that views. And I'm going to leave now saying that we have done something new here because I missed my kitchen in Florida so much. If you go over to older videos, you'll see I have this set up. My husband's a retired IT man, but he's a gem of a hubby because he makes it all possible for me to look good and have a lot of fun doing what I enjoy, making these little stage sets for me and doing a lot of my camera work when he's free. So that's what I'm about. This is my kitchen. I'm Janine. If you subscribe to me, thank you so very much. It helps my channel grow, and it's free. People don't realize all you can do is subscribe. We hope that you occasionally watch. Some people come on weekly, some people bi-weekly. It doesn't matter. If you're a subscriber and you watch occasionally, I appreciate you, and I'm really grateful. So I'll say goodbye and wish you all a good day, and next time you see me in this spot, it will be with a meal and a recipe.